Hello student. So today our discussion topic is basic probability. Every day we woke up in morning. Suppose we think that we woke up at 7 a.m. and maintain a regular schedule. We just think we have some schedule at 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m. But each and every time depend on the previous time. Like suppose you think that 11 a.m. you went to school. 11 a.m. you went to school if and only if 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m. work is successfully done. Otherwise, you cannot successful in 11 a.m. work. So, each and every case has two possible cases, success and failure. But we always think that we are successful, right? So, each and every cases there has two possible cases and we want to success. So, each and every case the probability is half. Now we define what is probability. Probability is basically a ratio between two cases, number of favorable case and number of total case. And we know number of total case is always greater than number of favorable case. So probability is always lies between 0 to 1. Probability is always lies between 0 to 1. If number of favorable case is equals to number of total case, then probability is 1. Now we think what is total case. So when we solve coin problem or dice problem, in this type of basic question, the total cases is number of case in one time to the power number of case. Like in a coin problem, you just think in one time there is two possible cases, head or tail. Head or tail. Okay. So total cases is always 2 raised to the power n. So total case is always 2 to the power n. And what is n? N is how much time we toss a coin. Right. So if we toss a coin 2 times, then it is 2 square. If we toss a coin 3 times, then it is 2 cube, in that way. Okay. So what is our cases? Suppose if we toss a coin 2 times, then it is head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. It's fine. Head, 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 tail, tail, head, and tail, tail. There are 4 possible cases, right? When we toss a coin 3 times, then what is our possible cases? If we solve it manually, then it's very big. So what can we do? We just apply a shortcut technique. Okay. So in 2 times, we write it as head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. We write it again. Okay. So head, 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 tail, tail, head, and tail, tail. Now what can we do? In the first row, we just put head, and in the second row, we just put tail. And we get 8 different cases. We get 8 different cases. Okay. So now we think some mathematical problem. Okay. You think we tosses a coin 3 times. Okay. We tosses a coin 3 times and we find 2 heads. Okay. So we find probability of 2 head. First of all, what is our total cases? Total cases is always 2 cube, right? So 2 cube means 8. Now 2 head. So that is 3 head. So cancel. That is 2 head. That is also 2 head. That is also 2 head. So there are 3 favorable cases. Therefore, the required probability is 3 by 8. Okay. Now there is another concept, that is at least and at most. Okay, so at least means minimum. Always remember, at least means minimum and at most means maximum. So at least 2, that means 2, 3, 4 and so on. and at most 2. That means 0, 1 and 2. Okay. So if the question say that we toss a coin 3 times and we find the probability of head at least 2 times. Probability of head at least 2 times. Then there are two cases. Probability of 2 head and probability of 3 head, right? Because there is no other cases. Because we just coin a 3 times, so we cannot get 4 heads, right? Maximum 3 heads. So there are two cases, probability of 2 head and probability of 3 head. So in that case, probability of 2 head or probability of 3 head. So previously we find probability of 2 head is 3 by 8 and probability of 3 head is only 1 times this one, so 1 by 8. So required probability is 4 by 8, which is equals to half. Now there is another concept. I say probability of 2 head or probability of 3 head. Now I just put plus 5. Always remember in probability, odd means plus, odd means union. Union, odd, plus, same. Similarly, and multiplication and intersection, same. If there are and cases, then we multiply. If there is or cases, we just add. Okay. So if the question say at most, then what can we do? At most 2 head. That means probability of 0 head, probability of 1 head, probability of 2 head. So there is a long calculation, right? So what can we do? At most 2 head, that means from the total case, if we eliminate probability of 3 head, we get the answer, right? So what is our total case? Total case and probability is always 1, right? Total case is always 1 because probability lies between 0 to 1. So maximum cases is 1. So we just eliminate probability of 3 head from 1. Okay. So probability of 3 head. So 1 minus 1 by 8, the answer is 7 by 8. The answer is 7 by 8. Okay. So that is our coin problem. Okay. And there is some problem based on dice. So now we discuss some problem based on dice. Okay. So what is our total case? Our total case is 6 to the power n, 5, 6. Because when we throw a die, there are 6 cases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cases, right? And n means number of time we throw. Okay. So there is lots of question. We start from a basic question like we throw a die. Okay. And we find sum of the die is 9. Probability of sum is 9. First of all, we find what is our total cases. Total cases is 36. Why? So 6 to the power n. Here n is 2. So 6 square. So 6 square is 36. Right. Now we think sum is 9. When sum is 9? 0, 9 is not possible because in dice there is only 6 possible cases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 8 is not possible. 2 and 7 is not possible. 3 and 6 is possible, right? If 3 and 6 is possible, then vice versa is also possible. 6 and 3. Now we think 4. So 4 and 5 is possible. Similarly, 5 and 4 is also possible. That's all. So there are 4 cases. So our favorable case is 4. So required probability is 1 by 9. Okay. Now we think another one. Probability that their product is 17. Probability that their product is 17. We know favorable case, we find the favorable case, we know the total case is 36. Okay. So you just think one, that 17 is prime or composite? 17 is prime number, right? So 17 is not divisible any other number. So there is only one cases, that is 1 and 17 and 17 and 1. 17 is possible for die? No. So there is no favorable case. In that case, favorable case is 0 and we got answer is 0. Okay. So probability can be 0. Okay, probability cannot be negative and probability cannot more than 1, but probability can 0. Okay, so there is lots of problem based on dice, and next class we discuss about some probability problem from set theory, then we discuss some problem from permutation combination and different type of problem from infinite GP series. Okay, so this is our basic probability class. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.